Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Astar Network. We will go over the recap of Astar Network ecosystem on March. Astar Network is a parachain project on Polkadot, and it supports the building of dApps with EVM and WASM smart contracts. They have some unique features, for example, build-to-earn model. The developers can get paid through a dApp staking for their code and the dApps they build. So now let's first take a look at the trend of Astar Network on March. So this is a figure showing the website traffic overview of Astar Network. In the past 3 months, from December, January, February, we can see the total visits has a big increase on February. So that means people, they start to showing more interest on the Astar Network. And also, we can check the top countries visit Astar Network last month. And so, not surprisingly, the top country is Japan, comprising 23.5% of visits, followed by United Kingdom. And so, the other one is from CoinGecko, Japan. They also mentioned the Astar token is the most popular token right now, so we can check it here. The first one is Astar Network, which is big news for the Astar ecosystem, so congratulations. And the second thing we'll go over is the WASM. So as we know, like on Polkadot, the relay chain didn't have the smart contract. Astar Network will enable Polkadot Inc. smart contracts on its platform. So it's the first parachain to support a stable WASM environment. So Astar enabling Inc., that means Polkadot Inc. smart contract is enabled. So the Inc. is Parity's Rust-based programming language for writing the WASM smart contract, and is used by developers in the Polkadot and the Substrate ecosystem to build high-performance smart contract and decentralized applications for WASM virtual machine. That's just like the Ethereum, they have the EVM. And so the Astar would build the EVM of Polkadot. So that shows the importance of this Inc. and the WASM smart contract, and it will be there very soon. The developers now, they can use Rust to build their projects on Astar, and even build with Polkadot because of the XAM functionality. And the WASM launch day would be on April, so it will be very soon. Some of you may not be familiar with WASM, the WebAssembly. WASM is a very fast, efficient, and secure virtual machine that is supported by all major web browsers. And so that is why they choose WASM. It's a new technology, and it provides portable cross-platform environment. So you can imagine that's why like the EVM, right? They can support the Ethereum environment, and if you have the environment, it's EVM compatible, you can deploy that easily on the Ethereum. But the same thing here with the WebAssembly, they can have the cross-platform environment. That means you can do all the things, you can access different system resources, and also the product you have, it will be compatible with many other programming language. So really good for the developers. The WebAssembly on Astar allows any software programmer to join blockchain and start using their beta-tested tools for Web3 development. And so don't miss the WASM launch day event on April 6th. So please join here. I put the link here. So this is a very big update, and not just for Astar, actually for the whole Polkadot ecosystem, and they have a lot of partners. And so for those of you who want to learn more about Astar, I would recommend you check their East Denver keynote talk from Astar Network. So I put the link here as well. You can check it by yourself. Let's take a look at the on-chain data. the on-chain data right now, the Astar Network, the build to earn, by end of March, they have 3.26 billion Astar staked in dApps. So those are all the tokens they stake there to support the whole ecosystem, to support the developers, and also the most popular dApp is Astar Core Contributor, not surprising, followed by the NFT project Astar Degens. So if you are interested in what is Astar Degens, I do have my video and you can check it with more details. So I will not go over the details right now, but Astar Degens, they do have some events. So for those of you, if you are interested, you can participate there in infographics competition with Astar to win 10,000 ATID. So this is a tweet, you can check it by yourself. And also another important dApp is Algem. They have the Discord banner competition. So this is another competition. You can earn some rewards, and I put the link here so you can check it by yourself. And also the Algem and the ArthSwap, that's also built on Astar Network. They have a farming campaign, and this farming campaign is already started and it will be ended on April 12th. So if you want to join, don't forget to check all the detail. I will post a link. They are going to put 70k total Algem token for you to grab. And so what you need to do is if you stake the Astar on the Algem dApp in the Astar dApp staking, you will receive an Astar. So this is one versus one. So that means if you stake 1000 Astar, you will get 1000 N Astar. And you can farm the token on the ArthSwap using the Algem N Astar liquidity hub. Details will be here, so you can check it by yourself. The next one is CandyGo. CandyGo, they already listed on Astar dApp staking. So now you can stake your Astar and support the CandyGo. What they do with the rewards, they are going to use the rewards to do some interesting development. For example, they have a 3D modeling progress, like they're going to use a company from Korea, and they will create something like Disney characters or Poke. So I don't know what is that, but this is definitely interesting. They are also going to do something related to music. So they will provide more details in your near future. So please stay tuned, and you will hear something from the CandyGo. Astar Exchange is a Uniswap V2 fork on Astar Network, and they try to optimize contracts for P2P trading, and they are also listed on Astar Network. And what they do, they have the development, and they also have some giveaway. So if you are interested, check this link. I will already post it here, so you can check it by yourself. And there would be more updates, but because of the time, I don't want to make this article too long. So I will stop here now. But if you do like it, if you want me to write more, just give me some support, and I'm going to continue and share some more updates from Astar Network. So how did you feel about Astar Network? What is the most exciting things you have in your mind about Astar Network? Is that the WASM launch day or something else? Leave a comment and I would be happy to hear that from you. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.